Guys, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video. By the end of this video, don't forget to share, like, and comment. Today we want to bring to you concerning Paid2play. This is their official page. 20 hours ago they launched this. Remember, they have 65,000 followers, 48,000 likes, and they just bring this in. Said you should head over to our website to check out our new spin, the wheel feature. Remember, these Pay2play, their cash out. There's a cash out error, and users or their clients are unable to withdraw money despite the scheduled dates. Some persons' scheduled dates are due for withdrawals, yet the money is not sent to the appropriate wallet that was assigned to. Okay, and now 20 hours ago they just launched this, that people should still go in there, perform these tasks, and get paid $1, $30, 0, 20, $1, $30, 0. So the highest here in this year spinning units is just $30. Then the rest is 0, 1, 20, and 30. So it said click to spin. If you click now, the thing will turn. But here is just what they publish. And you know, in Nigeria here, we have a lot of restriction concerning this very platform. But initially, when it was launched, it was not like this. Let's head over to Chrome browser. Okay. Let's head over to Chrome browser. We type in Paid2play, paid2play.co. Let's go there. Okay. It's a wrong URL. Paid2play, not pay to play. It's Paid2play, paid2play.co. Let's now click in. In my own location, I don't know for your own location whether this is the same thing you are experiencing. I can prove to you that in other browser or other website that is using the same format of verify that you're a human, if this turns and you click that you are a human being, okay, this very website supposed to open, and this will continue to load millions of times to prove that this platform is not all that legit with what we are saying. Okay, I don't know for you whether your scheduled dates have been reached. Please, if your scheduled date for payment has been reached, don't forget to share your own opinion on the comment section. Okay, we'll do well to reply to your own view. Remember, this video is for tutorial purpose and for research and for review, for you to know what this platform here is all about. Although we've not known the owner, we've not seen the owner, but we know that this platform is from a certain location that we've listed before in our previous video. Okay, we so much appreciate God Almighty for the platform not requesting people to pay money first, because this could have been so heartbreaking. It's just a free tax and get paid, but up till now nothing has entered, neither our wallets or our bank account or PayPal, depending on the one you choose as a means of payment. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video that this platform here, that platform called Paid2play, is not 100% legit. Subscribe to Soft YouTube channel, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.